Hi, everyone. Before we get started, we want to let you know that this episode covers some sensitive subjects, such as mental health and depression in the workplace. If you're going through a difficult time right now, or if you know someone struggling with depression, we hope this episode will help you navigate these tough conversations at work and in your personal life. If you're ever experiencing suicidal thoughts, please reach out to your support system or call 1-800-273-8255, where you'll be connected with a specialist from the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline.
You know, the topic that you and I wanted to discuss today was really about the importance of companies taking care of people. This has been really core to me as a business owner for us at Upkeep. And I know that it's also been really core to you as well, Rob, and it's been a central point of focus for both of our content pieces and a lot of content that we publish. I'm curious, just to get the ball rolling here, Rob, what are some important things to consider when companies are trying to put their people first?
You say it's been central for me. It's been really only central for me for about 5 months now, right? So I've been doing a lot of self-work on myself. And what I've really found and what I've really discovered is I think one of the things that hold us back as an industry, we always talk about this word culture. And we always talk about it as this way to achieve reliability, whether that's the metrics, whether that's the productivity or the profitability or availability, whatever word you want to use. And what we don't remember is what makes culture is each and every individual. And I know you know that, Ryan, but I think a lot of our industry, we sort of lack that connection with the people. What I've really tried to put out there is this message where it's like, we actually have to care about our staff. We actually have to care about each and every person that operates and maintains the plant. And we actually have to go out and we have to ask them the tough questions, and we have to actually care what they say. And when I say the tough questions, it's not about the equipment, it's about themselves. Mm-hmm. And I think that's what we lack, is this vulnerability, not only in ourselves, but also when we put ourselves out there on the plant floor.
You know, to me, a company is a collection of people that enable and empower businesses to sell goods and sell products to generate revenue. And if we don't put people first, you know, I think what we realize is, you know, the whole building kind of crumbles.